How to download Hinge dating app and login. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Pipin Bisnet, and today I'll guide you on how you can download Hinge dating app and login. Now, you can simply go ahead and open up or download the Hinge application from your Play Store or App Store depending on the device that you have, that is iOS or Android. Now, once you have downloaded it, now if you don't get it on the Play Store, you can simply head over to your browser and search in for Hinge application download, and you should be able to get the link there where you'll be able to download the Hinge dating app. Now, once you have downloaded it, you can open it up. It'll give you an option to either sign up or log in. You can simply tap on sign up. If you haven't signed up yet, I've already made a video on how you can do so, or you can simply tap on login, enter in your details and log in. So this is the way that you can download Hinge dating app and log in. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.